Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know by the title, I am doing a beauty room tour. Okay guys, we're going to start from the door, and I will try to link everything down below on where I got everything from, but if I can't remember, I apologize. The clock, the rose gold clock, I just got it from Amazon. And yeah, the little flowers I got from Dollar Tree, as well as the little greenery. And this up here is places we've been when we lived in Germany. So we had one from Switzerland. We got some stuff from Paris. And like some little prayer hands. I love elephants. Good luck. A little plant that came from IKEA. And these, I believe, either came from IKEA or Amazon. Another little Switzerland. Well, this is from LA, this is Switzerland. So yeah, that's that. In the closet, all I have is storage. I have a few of my bags, literally just storage, my makeup kit. Other side, it's pretty much storage. Same thing. Moving right along, I have these pink flowers, and I got these from a store in Germany called Woolworth, as long as with the letters M-U-A. And this is my baby boy, Boomy. He has a YouTube channel as well. Be sure to check it out. I'll link it below. That's him. And over here I have another plant that I got from IKEA. Little air freshener, Walmart. The letter D came from Marshall's. Once again, those came from Dollar Tree. The pillows came from Amazon, as well as these. And this is just storage. I have nothing in there. I would like a bench. Hopefully I can get one. soon, or like either a taller bench or like a love seat. Hopefully I can get one of those. And I ordered these inspirational quotes off of Amazon as well. And this one just says, life isn't perfect, but your makeup can be. This one says, don't wish for it, work for it. Wake up and make up and make it happen. And once again, greenery came from Dollar Tree. And over here, I have my makeup artist certificate. And down here, I just have a whole bunch of my perfumes and body sprays, jewelry, sunglasses. I have 2 Michael Kors purses that I just set there, and another Michael Kors purse at the bottom with a pair of heels. And oh, my rugs came from IKEA as well, along with the desk, the vanity, the chair, and the 2 columns right here. On the desk I have makeup brushes, face powder, highlights, sprays. The flowers came from Woolworth as well in Germany, Paris. Inside Vibes, thanks again for the purse. And over here we have sponges, razors, tweezers, eyebrow stuff, a few of my foundations, you know, little knickknacks, and there's a whole bunch of things in here, my glitters. And I have this lovely painting that I just feel like it went with the room. It's really, really nice, and it is from Marshalls as well. And this Happily Ever After Starts Here is from Marshalls. And then I had this printed off from a girl who drew a cartoon of my face for me, and I just put it here. I have a speaker, my name, D, a candle back here from Bath and Body Works. This is my son when he was a baby. Another little candle, Amsterdam. My mother-in-law gifted this for Mother's Day for me. You know, just little inspirational cards. This pen came from Berlin. I just have a flower vase here with some faux flowers and these little lights that I have to get some more on the other side for. And then I just have this sign right here, as well as the flamingo and some more rose gold items that I just set here in my artist case, because I do draw. I'm working on learning how to paint, but I do draw. So some of those videos might be in there soon. And then I just have this mini ring light that I got from Marshalls as well. And this literally came from Dollar Tree. The poster board or the canvas was $1, and the little stickers I put on there was $1 as well. And I have this little fan, came from Dollar Tree as well, and it just says Slay. So I thought this is really cute, so I picked that up. And the infamous, famous mirror that almost everyone has right here came from IKEA as well. And then in the drawer, I just have some makeup palettes in this top drawer, like cases for my brushes when I go out of town. I have wipes, some press-on nails, stuff for my makeup. I have a henna kit, some airbrush stuff, lighters, more of my airbrush stuff, that one. And I have another candle down here. This is for my airbrush makeup kit. And then this drawer is pretty much the same thing. This is like miscellaneous. Have some of everything in here. Not much to see. Some towels, makeup that I use. Makeup bags for when I go out of town as well, to store in all of my makeup. Miscellaneous more. And that's little nail stuff I do when I do a pedicure on myself. That's pretty much it, guys, of the room. I'll give you another full view. And you tell me guys what you think in the comments below. I am out of breath. I am currently 15 weeks and 5 days. So bear with me, guys. So yeah, this is just a little overview of the beauty room. If you guys have any questions, please just let me know. I'm gonna answer them to the best of my ability. But this is the beauty room. This is it.